Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri, and in this video I'll be talking to you guys about one of the easiest way you can earn money by tutoring online. So in my previous video, I've talked about different tutoring sites where you had to register and provide your qualifications and all, and then there were chances of you getting selected or even not. Here's an update from one of those websites, which is called Chegg Tutors. Earlier, all we had to do was apply as a tutor, but now they have brought a major update in their website for India. That is, they have launched an online Q&A expert panel for us where we register ourselves as an expert for a particular subject and we start answering questions in return of money. So in this video, I'll guide you guys step by step on how you get started with this new feature offered by Chegg Tutors. So without any further ado, let's get started. All you need to do is open up your browser and type Chegg India. That is the official website. They have launched it recently and many features involved. So once it opens up for you, click on expert opportunities and here click on Q&A expert sign up. And once this panel opens up for you, all you need to do is provide your phone number that you haven't already registered on Chegg. Make sure this is your new number that you are trying to register with. So once you have signed up, you'll come across terms and conditions. Simply click on check and submit. And once you have done that, this portal will open up for you. Here the steps are pretty simple. All you have to click on is registration and it will ask you for your basic details, your personal details, your phone number. Go ahead and fill out these. And once you are done with this, all you have to do is ensure that you fill out all these sections. Subject test, that is, you have to choose your expertise subject and take the basic test. They'll ask you around 12 questions on your chosen subject, and once you answer those questions correctly, you are certified as an expert here. And go ahead and do all these following steps like download guideline test. These tests are pretty much simple, I would say, and even you can take help from any external source as well because they don't have any time limit on these tests. So that's pretty much simple. And once you're done with tests, go ahead and do the degree verification, your identification, bank verification, your address proof, mobile verification. And once you're done with all these steps, you are certified as an expert Q&A on Chegg. And that's it. That's the most simple step that we all should get enrolled in order to earn a good amount of money and take care of our expenses using Chegg Tutors India. Now this is the new portal that they have launched recently. This feature wasn't there earlier in Chegg official website. So I would recommend all the Indians, students or be it any professionals to give it a try. And that was it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button and please tell me in the comment section what topic you want in the next video.